If you're over 50 and still feeling stuck at a job that you don't love, wondering if it's too late to change your story, I've got some good news for you, my friend. It is not. In fact, last month alone, I made over $52,000 online. I don't have a boss. I don't commute. It's just me working from my phone and my laptop with my little furry four-legged business buddy curled up beside me. Here's the best part. I didn't need any fancy funnels. I didn't need to pay for traffic or have a tech degree. I used a simple step-by-step digital marketing strategies that anyone can master, even if you're starting from scratch and you're in your 50s. So if you've been searching for how to make money online after 50, passive income stream for beginners, or how to retire early online, you are in the right place. Here's the truth. This didn't happen to me overnight. 9 years ago, when I became a grandma, that's when everything shifted for me. I remember holding my granddaughter and realizing how much I wanted more time. Time to be more present with her. Time to travel and see and experience the world. Time to actually live life instead of just working to survive it. But back then, I was stuck working full time. We were stupid short for retirement. And I honestly felt like there was no options left. So I started searching for ways to earn differently. And let me tell you, I literally tried everything. Like I did the home party thing, MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, you name it. Now, some things worked a little, most didn't. And I did lose money on my journey and I got so frustrated. But I didn't give up because I knew deep down there had to be something real out there. Something that didn't require me to recruit friends or stock my garage full of products. Something simple, flexible, and proven to work. And in February of 2024, I finally found it. I found a system that combined education, automation, and digital products. Something that made sense to my 55-year-old brain. And it actually worked for people like me. Now you can fast forward to today. I've made over $1 million in just over a year and a half, and I can't even believe it. And if this 56-year-old grandma who never thought she'd be able to retire at 65, let alone 55, can do it, so can you. Now, before we dive into the steps on how all this works, I've got a freedom formula blueprint here for you below. It's the exact roadmap that I personally use to create multiple streams of income online. You can grab it for free in the description below, because what I'm about to share with you could be the exact thing that gives you your freedom back too. So the very first rule of building reliable online income is you must offer something that people are actually searching for, something that they want to buy. That's the key to every successful online business, is finding a product that solves a real problem for a real person. Because the digital education industry, it's also known as e-learning, is exploding right now. Like experts project it to hit nearly 1 trillion globally by 2030. Like what number even is that? So what that tells us is that if you're creating a digital product or a course or a guide or templates, you're entering a space that's not dying. It is just literally taking off. You're not too late. You're catching the wave. Now you can go the physical product route as well. And I do recommend it sometimes. Like I'm even an Amazon affiliate and I earn a bit of money each month that way. But here's the thing for me, like I didn't want a little side income. I wanted enough income that could replace my job and free up my time and build me a freedom-based income. So I shifted and I focused the digital products. Why digital? Because the profit margin is massive. Like you keep 100% of the profit. There's no shipping, there's no handling inventory. You build it once and you can sell it over and over and over again while you are living your life. And since the market is already huge and still growing, that is where the opportunity is for us. Like if you're wanting to build something that's flexible and meaningful while you're in your 50s going into retirement, this is it. So the question isn't, is there demand for it? The numbers already say that there is. The real question is, what will you create? Do you want to build your own digital product? Or do you want something that's already built for you? So stick with me because I'm going to unpack these options and then you can decide what is the best fit for you. So now we know that digital products are the best way to go because they give you the highest profit margins. But here's the question. Do you actually want to create your own or do you want to start with something that's already done? When you create your own digital product, you own it completely. And if you love being creative, this can be such a fun path. Like building something from your own experience and your own expertise. You control the price, you control the branding and the message, and that's very, very powerful. But for me, I quickly learned that it's not as simple as just coming up with an idea. If you want to create your own digital product, you have to know how. You need to learn how to design it. You need to learn where to host it, how to build a sales funnel, and what kind of freebie that you want to connect to it, how to market it, and so on, and how to actually get people to want to buy it. Like, that's where I personally hit a wall. I realized that if I'm going to do this, I need real education. Like, I need someone to teach me how to do it. So I started searching for digital marketing courses, something that could show me exactly how to create, automate, and sell the digital product that I wanted to create. And that's when I found a digital education program that changed everything for me. Like, it didn't just teach me digital marketing, it actually gave me 10 ready to sell products as well. Like, it was a complete business in a box. It had the education, it taught me everything I needed to know, automations, funnels, templates, how to build a freebie, how to sell it, how to create multiple income streams, and on and on. And the best part, it wasn't just a static course. It was live, interactive, with real coaching and tech support, which was good because I am not techie. So I thought, perfect. This is exactly what I need to learn how to do this properly. But then came the part that really surprised me. This course also came with something called the Master Resale Rights. And you can find that description here. But it means that I could not only learn from it, but I also got the license to resell the same program and keep 100% of the profit. Yes, you heard me right, like 100%. It gave me 10 ready to sell digital programs right from day one. So I wasn't starting from scratch. I was actually able to earn while I was learning. And that was so huge for me because instead of waiting months to build my product, I could immediately start sharing the same training that was teaching me and helping others and earning from it at the same time, which really blew my mind. That is the power of Master Resale Rights. You're certified to resell the program because you have the license. And this one program taught me everything that I know today. So since taking that course, I've gone on to create my own digital products and courses, and I've set up my own funnels and on my own emails. I've built affiliate income, and I've even launched my own membership and community, all because of what I've learned from that one program. So because I learned all this kind of a little bit of the hard way, I always recommend this program to beginners because it gives you the foundation that you need, plus the ability to start earning right away. Like, you'll get the education, the tools, the systems, and the products all in one. It's like a complete business in a box. And that's what makes it such a perfect starting point for people in their 50s like me who want to start something that's simple, step-by-step, and sustainable. So if you want to see exactly how this program works and how I used it to start earning online, we actually have a free class that walks you through it all, and you can find that link in the description below. And when you combine that kind of education with the right system, that's where magic happens. Because once you have the training and you have the product, you're ready for the secret sauce that brings it all to life, and that is automation. Automation is what turns your business from something that takes all of your time into something that gives you more time. So let's talk about what that looks like and how you can build what I call your freedom machine. So this is what actually gives you that work less, live more lifestyle that we've all been dreaming about, the freedom machine. And it's powered by one simple thing, and that's automation. So automation is what gives you your time back. It's what allows your business to keep working even when you're not. Here's a real example for you. This is me out in Florida at a water park with my grandkids. We flew out there this past February in the middle of the friggin' cold Canadian winter for a dream vacation that I had on my bucket list for years, and I was finally able to pay for it. So while we were there splashing around and laughing, my phone kept pinging with sales. This is the power of automation and the freedom machine. Now, this is exactly why earning online is so appealing for people in their 50s and beyond. Because after decades of trading our time for money, you finally realize that time is your real currency. And the wild part, this kind of automation used to cost thousands and thousands of dollars to set up. Now it can be done with free tools designed for beginners like me. The platform that I use and recommend is called System.io. It's an all-in-one tool that runs your entire online business from one dashboard. It handles your websites, your funnels, your checkout processes, your email automations, product delivery, and even your affiliate links. And if that sounds like something like, what the heck did she just say? I didn't know what that was either in the beginning. And if you're using a master resale rights program like the one I started with, everything is already built for you. So you don't need to worry about it. You get the website, the templates, all the pre-written emails, automations, and the funnel all ready to go with a click of a button. And you just personalize it with your name, your story, and your personal touch. Now let's be real, there's a little bit of tech involved because it's not magic, but it's way, way easier than it used to be. And you're never alone. There's tech support, live coaching, and easy to follow video tutorials that walk you step by step through. I am not some tech genius, a 56-year-old grandma who used to work a regular 9-to-5 job, but if I can follow instructions, hit the pause and rewind button and watch it again sometimes, if I can learn this, so can you. Automation is what separates people who are constantly working on their business from those who are living off their business. It's what turns your income into something that runs while you live your life, not something that runs your life. It's the reason that I've made over $1 million in a year and a half, all without running a single ad and without burning myself to the bone. I do have a free Systems.io account. You can find it in the description below and just check it out for yourself. You'll understand what I'm talking about. So now that you understand what automation is and why your Freedom Machine is important for running your business, there's one more piece of the puzzle that you need, and it's a big one, because here's the truth. You can have the best product in the world and even the most beautiful automated system in place, but if nobody knows about it, you're not going to make any sales. This is where the power of marketing comes in. And I'm not talking about chasing people or sliding into their DMs to convince them to check out what your latest and greatest thing is that you're selling. I'm talking about learning how to attract the right people, the ones who already want what you have to offer. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I learned to stop selling and start attracting by using simple digital marketing strategies that work even if you're starting from scratch. This is the secret that actually fuels your income. So once you learn how to attract the right people, the ones who are already searching for what you have to offer, that's what we call attraction marketing. And it's one of the top skills in digital marketing today. When I first started, I thought marketing meant selling, like messaging people, right? Like trying to convince them of what I was doing. And honestly, I didn't want any part of that. But once I learned how to do attraction marketing, everything changed, because it's simply showing up with value and educating, and you can inspire, you can connect, and before long, people start coming to you. They ask you questions, they click on your links, and they buy your products because you've built trust instead of pressure. Here's the thing, marketing is a skill. Nobody is born knowing how to do it. It's something that you learn step by step by step. And it's one of the most valuable things that I learned in my digital marketing program, because without marketing, nothing else works. It is the foundation of your entire business. This is the beauty of digital marketing. You can grow your business in a way that feels authentic to you. Once you start sharing value-driven content, you can do that on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, people find you. And that is the power of attraction marketing. I built my entire business using organic digital marketing, all from showing up consistently, adding value, and letting my automation do the rest. Because when you combine attraction marketing with automation, that is when the magic happens, my friends. Like, your business grows while you're living your life and you're not glued to your phone. So don't just dream about freedom. I want you to start building it. Download my Freedom Formula Blueprint right now and see how simple this can actually be. Then I want you to watch the free class where we'll walk you through the exact steps that changed everything for me. And if you're serious about creating your own type of freedom lifestyle business, the next video right here is going to show you how I used this exact strategy to retire myself at 55 years of age and make over $650,000 in my first year. So check it out here. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you over there, my friend. Take care.